Hi.
Hi, sir.
Hey, this is the mattress, right?
Yeah, it
I
is.
saw the ad.
Yes, sir, this is the Neorest mattress. You can have a look, sir.
I was thinking of buying this only.
Right. Probably we'll have a look at it.
Yeah, check it out. Can we? So, what's so special about this mattress?
So this is an orthopedic memory foam mattress. So whenever you sleep, it will maintain your posture. And if your partner turns the tosses around, you won't feel any disturbances.
Oh, thank God. Can we book this through you?
Definitely, if you place an order, I'll book it and it'll be delivered to your doorstep.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, I'll book it for you. You shall get a message when I book it.
Yes, I did. Thank you.
That was fast. Thank you. Thank you so much.